This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
YouTube is lorShift back at it again with another banger video, man. And as you can see by the title and thumbnail, today we're going to be discussing all my modifications I did to my 2019 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. If you want to know everything I've done to this tanny mobile, stay tuned until the end of the video. Smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. And also hit that bell because a lot of y'all who watch my videos are not tapped into when the bangers drop. So smash that bell. We're going to pretty much hurry up and get started because it's extremely hot outside. So let's get it. We're going to start off by telling you all once again that this is a 2019 Dodge Challenger Scatty, big Scat Pack. So come here real quick. I'm going to show you all so y'all know I'm not lying. Feel me? Big 6.4, man. Big 6.4 SRT motor. As you can see, we got rid of the big tanny mobile. Nothing's done to the engine. I ain't do shit yet. I just wanted to show y'all what car it was. We're going to start off with all the outside cosmetic mods. Stay tuned. Let's get it. Starting off with mod number one, the most obvious thing is the big Hellcat bumper. As you can see, I just got this joint painted and thrown on. No more looking like a V6 Charlie. We got the big cat bumper, slim body cat type shit, feel me? We got the grill. I do have the SRT badge coming in tomorrow, I think. Monday, it's right now it's Sunday, so it's coming in tomorrow. So we got a big SRT badge coming in. We got Hellcat bumper. I'm planning on getting the yellow bumper guards on the side, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that yet. I'm thinking about it. We got the Hellcat hood. I did not do this. The car came with the cat hood. I put the little SRT emblem right here on the snorkel. Now moving over here to the side, we got the Scat badge. This is a custom badge made. This was like $60 a pop, bro. Not a pop, but $60 for both badges. We got the red eye in it. As you can see, it's like a mirror. It's like reflective. Another obvious thing, we got yellow brakes. These wheels did come with the car. I know I gotta upgrade my wheels. That's coming next. SRT wheel caps is what I did do as well. These was like $20 each. I spray painted my brakes. As you can see, this is kind of bad right now. Got a lot of brake dust on them, but we're gonna get that cleaned up soon. Moving over here to the back, we got a sunroof. I ain't do that, but just wanted to show y'all real quick. Yellow brakes. I'm moving on to the ass of the tanny mobile. We got SRT on a wicker bill, or the spoiler. This is a stock spoiler. I'm planning on getting a red eye one. So red eye one is coming soon. I might take the SRT off. I don't know. We got that. We got tinted out tail lights. Shout out to my boy Tints with Ty. I'm gonna throw his gram up right here. He tinted out my tail lights for me. Got me right. The Dodge on here completely stock. A lot of people telling me to take it off. I don't know if I want to do that yet. Then we got the plate cover. That's about it. Ain't really too much you can do with the Charlies compared to the Chargers, but we did do a decent amount so far. I only had it for 1 month and this shit looked completely different, bro. By the way, my voice is starting to hurt, but if y'all noticing my voice is a little different, it's because I just had my tonsils removed, so I'm kind of struggling to talk right now, but that's what we did on the outside. Now we're gonna move on to the inside. Depending on how long this video is, I may give y'all a POV drive. Who knows? I did go catless too. So with the exhaust, I don't know what the fuck that is. Anyways, with the exhaust, I got a mid muffler delete. I deleted my cat, so this shit is screaming. Let me show y'all real quick how she sounded right now. Give y'all a little remote start because I ain't do that in the beginning. Come here real quick. Yeah, that shit sound like a monster. So if y'all have any questions about the outside of the car, let me know. I'll give you all prices on everything. I'll give you all links and all that. So let me know. Like I said, I ain't really do nothing. If y'all wondering where I got that Hellcat bumper from, I got it from Facebook Marketplace. So Marketplace got me right. Shout out to the dude in New York, whoever you are, you sold me this bumper and got me right. So I got it painted, and right now we looking like a slim body Scat, or slim body Hellcat. So yeah, now let me show y'all the inside real quick. Stay tuned. I don't want to make this video too boring, but now that y'all seen everything on the outside, right? We're gonna move on to the inside of the car, man. As you can see with mod number one, if you haven't watched my video yet, go watch it. And if you're still watching this and you haven't watched it, I'm mad at you right now, but go watch that. Anyway, starting off with mod number one on the inside, we're gonna start off with the SRT steering wheel. You can see big SRT. I did get this from a stolen SRT Jeep. So some guy stole the Jeep and then crashed it. And then the dude had it up for sale. So I was like, let me get that. Took it, bought it for about 200 bucks. So I had no other choice, man. So we got the big SRT airbag. Feel me? Not the steering wheel, just the airbag. We got the paddle shifters, as you can see. If you don't know who my sponsor is, make sure y'all go follow and subscribe to Grid Ready. GRIDREADY. Grid Ready, that's my sponsor. Shout out to them. They get me right every time with my paddle shifters and tail light tint. That's where I got my paddle shifters from. Now moving on to my number 3 on the inside, we got ambient lighting. It's gonna be a little hard to see because it's daytime, but I'm pretty sure I made a video on this anyways. So if you haven't watched that and you still watching this, I'm mad at you too. Anyways, but as you can see, we got the ambient lighting on the doors, center console. We got the ambient lighting up here. Like I said, it's hard to see, but they're also color changing as well. You can get these off Amazon for about $25 to $30. It depends what kit you get, but I'll put that link in the description below. And yeah, color changing RGB ambient lighting lights. Moving on to pretty much like the last thing on the inside, starlights. So show y'all real quick. As you can see, we got the big 750 stars on the interior of this Charlie, man. We got the shooting stars, the meteors. We got it all on the pillars and all that. So this joint pretty much souped up. For me to have it for 1 month and all this stuff done to it, it's kind of crazy, I ain't gonna lie. But these are color changing starlights too. So I will put their link in the description below. 750 starlight kit, it was about $130. Not that bad. If you want to install it and if you want to do it yourself in your car, go watch my video. I dropped the video on the starlights too. And that's about it. Other than that, on the inside, you already know, when you get a Scat pack or a Hellcat or an RT, you gotta stay strapped with a neutral strap lock and a kill switch. We are kill switching up, so if you try to take my car, you're not taking it. One, you either gonna die in my car, or two, all this shit is not gonna let you take it because I have so much shit in here that's literally trackers and all that. So don't try me. That's all we got for the day on the inside of the car. We covered the exhaust already. We covered the outside and inside. So I guess I can give you all POV or just talk to y'all about like some other stuff I'm planning on doing, but I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna meet y'all on the outside of the car though. All right, y'all, so we pretty much covered everything, like I said, from the outside to the inside of the car. What I have planned for this car, I have no idea. I'm thinking about getting underground tuning because a lot of y'all been telling me, yo, you want underground tune it, you gonna do this, you gonna do that. I might underground tune it, I don't know. I still got the plug-in and all that. I just don't know if I want to really mess with my engine right now. I just got the car, so I know when you tune it, you know, your engine is going to wear and tear, obviously, because you tuning your car and you popping it and spitting flames and shit. I might wait like a month or two until I get the underground tuning. Go in the comment section below and let me know if y'all want to see me make it look like a red eye, a demon 170. I'm thinking about making it look like a demon 170. I don't know, because all I would need is the front bumper guards and then a wide body in the back. That's it. And then the hood, that's it. I don't know what I want to do yet, man. It's different options I got with the Charlie. It's not like the Charger, man. Go down in the comment section below and let me know what y'all think I should make this beast look like. We might give y'all a little POV drive just to finish the video off, and then I'm gonna probably drop all this week, so make sure y'all hit that bell once again. If y'all enjoyed this short little video on everything I did in my car, make sure y'all hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Because a lot of y'all just watch my videos, y'all don't really be subscribing, bro. Tap into me, feel me? From an RT to a Scat, like this is crazy. We're gonna get started on the POV drive, so stay tuned and let's get it. It's gonna be like about 5 minutes long, but let's get it. All right, y'all, we getting straight to it again. As you can see, we in track mode with it. Type shit, safety first. We got our seatbelts on. Let's get it, y'all. Quick little 5 to 10 minute POV drive. Most of the video is already covered, so if you still here, man, you a thorough supporter, man. I fuck with you, bro. Go ahead. Oh my God, do you hear it popping? Oh my God. Downshift. Hold on. Oh my God, hold on. Oh my God, them burbles, bro. They get me every time, bro. They get me every time. God. We got a bus to my left. I'm trying to go. We got space. We good. Hopefully y'all can see everything. I know my first POV drive was bad, bro. That shit was literally like this the whole time. So I'm gonna try to keep this one up. This will be unedited, so I ain't gonna edit none of this POV. Of course there's traffic, bro. shit never fails, bro. Every time I pick up the camera to do a highway POV, there's traffic. Every single time, bro. I mean, I guess it's about that time. It's 4:06. Oh my God. God. Oh my God. I should have got in front of them. I ain't even gonna cap. In front of that truck. There you go, tunnel work. Shit is literally a Hellcat without the wine, bro. Why are you hitting your brake? God. Oh my God. Bro, Scat packs are so tough, bro. Can't go too crazy, y'all. I can't go too crazy. Feds be watching my videos. I got the whole lane to really do some crazy shit though, but I ain't gonna go crazy yet. I need to get like something to block my speedometer so the cops won't really be on dick like that. Oh my God. Oh my God. I need a thermostat too, bro. This shit like 200 and something degrees. Bro, every time, I don't know if y'all noticed, bro, every time I downshift, like it shakes the whole car, bro. Like the whole car shifts back, bro. Like look. Like I don't know if y'all seen that little shake. I'm going automatic though. My shit getting ready to blow up. God. Of course he gets over. Oh shit. Oh shit. Something just fell off that truck. surprised that didn't hit my bumper. My luck, that shit would've, if I was any closer, bro, that shit would've smacked my bumper. I would've been sick. Yeah, let me get away from this nigga. Don't want to be near him. He got shit flying off his truck. Get over to the right real quick. Alright, y'all, we gonna end the POV drive here, man. If y'all want more of this POV drive action, go down in the comment section below, let me know, and I got y'all. But it's your boy Lord Bender, and if y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like, please. It's your boy lorShift, and we out. Boom.
Simple as that.